Okay guys, today I'll tell you how to change the speed of a video clip in DaVinci Resolve. For this, first add a video in your timeline and then click on the inspector tab. Here, click on the video you want to change the speed for, and then scroll down on this inspector to change the speed. And then you can change the speed by using on this scroller. You can go the forward direction or the negative. You can also add a keyframe for a certain part of this video and then increase or decrease the speed here.